Hi everyone! Recently I bought this multimeter, but I'm not happy with it. The multimeter is getting quite hot. It has some lags between the generator and the oscilloscope. I tried finding something like a firmware update, but I couldn't because for this, which is 2202S. I couldn't find anyway. So the problem is at the moment there is no problem, no any issues, but when it's getting a little bit warmer than usual, when I try switching between the, let's say at the moment is on meter, between meter and continuity test, diode test, capacitance, I think now maybe, yeah, you can see. I don't know what's this issue, maybe it's the firmware, I'm not sure. Maybe it's the next Chinese rubbish, I think. So I bought it from Amazon NL, Netherlands. It arrived from UK. But I think this is not normal. When you go to generator mode, it's working, it's no problem, but sometimes when I start the generator, now there is no BNC cable. Anyway, when I start it, like now, I can't stop it. Sometimes there is a lag, many things like getting clumsy, slowly, blah blah blah, so ever. At the moment it's okay, but maybe if I'm waiting for 5, 6, 7 minutes, maybe I can't stop it. Or I can stop it, maybe I have to press this green button, play and pause, maybe 5, 6, 7 times, and that's not normal for me. I bought it for €304, which is not too much, but for that money I could have bought something better, maybe. Anyway, such as this one. I'm very happy with it. Never ever had some issues. Anyway, also with this one, it's an old multimeter. I can say very old, maybe 10, maybe more years old. The range is not so big, but it's working perfectly and it's very accurate. Anyway, let's ignore it. This one, when you go on oscilloscope mode, everything is working perfectly. I cannot complain. But, as I said, sometimes when you're measuring something, now at the moment it's okay, I can use a thermometer, but it's gonna take a lot of time and the video is gonna be longer than usual. Switching between the modes, not all the time is easier to switch between them. Now it's okay. Maybe in 2-3-5 minutes, maybe it's getting clumsy, I don't know. About the measuring, it's how to say, it's accurate. I cannot complain of that. But the problem only is this issue is getting, I can say hot, not warm. It's getting hot behind, especially here under the battery cover. and probably here the processor, maybe, I don't know which one. I opened just to to close the zoomer, because here I stay sometimes till 2-3 o'clock, not to wake the other people up. And that's it, I close it. I didn't break it something anyway. It was as arrived anyway. So today I ordered some thermopads, but I'm not sure after that if the issue is still here or disappearing. I'm not sure. Many people say good multimeter, good oscilloscope, combined with multimeter with generator 25 megahertz, oscilloscope 200 megahertz, but I don't think so. Maybe if the issue is not going, it's not going, I think I cannot get even 100 euro. Maybe 50-60 euro, because who is interested? Anyway, if we say to measure, let's say just one resistor, I didn't want to do that anyway, but just to show, it's supposed to be 10 ohms. This one I know it very well. 1 second. Okay, let's say 10 ohms. I didn't plan. It wasn't my planning today doing this video, but just to show to some people. They keep asking me for multimeters, but in another apps, another chats. Anyway, let's see this one here, what this says. Also Chinese, but I'm happy with it. Everyone knows, I'm sure, all the multimeters here. You can see. Okay, let's measure this one. Supposed to be 10 ohms. Sorry, I have to remove the caps. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, because one of the legs of the resistor is very short. Yeah, this is 10 ohms resistor. Okay, let's say it's not the most accurate, this Owon oscilloscope. It's not the best one. The best one is that one I showed 3-4 minutes ago, bedding. But bedding is with very short diapason. Let's see again here. Okay, 10 ohms. Let's see what's going on the last test. Really, I haven't measured capacitance yet, because I'm busy most of the time. Let's see here. Even I can switch an Arduino board to see the quartz resonators, oscillators, the other name anyway. Okay, let's see this capacitance. It's supposed to be, I think, 100 microfarads. I'm not sure what was. I don't know it really. It's this one. It's too small. I can't see anyway. Just I code this one at the moment. Okay, this is, it's not 100, it's 10 microfarads. Okay, it's 9.942. Okay, let's see the other one. What this? Many people, they say it's like a Lamborghini car. I don't know. Blah blah blah. Seems. I regret I bought it. I mean the Owon multimeter, not the red one. Okay, let's see on the right side now what Owon says with capacitance. 10 point blah blah blah. Okay, let's say it's okay. It's not a problem with this one. Not to make the video longer, I can demonstrate the oscilloscope. Yesterday I did it. It's nice. I cannot say something bad for it, but this is the problem. I'm repeating again. It's getting quite warm and hot, and not yet. Probably when I go to oscilloscope mode. Now it's working perfectly, but in next minutes I don't know. 1 second to make some brightness to see better. Here auto, blah blah blah. I can make a little bit test at the moment, but I already did it, so no need doing this, because lots of videos for this model HDS 2202S. Everyone knows this, so no need also wasting your time. And I checked already Owon, their official site, but there is no firmware for this model. For the previous models, which are with no generator, with 40 megahertz, 70 megahertz oscilloscope, they for them firmware S. For this one, no. I don't know why. Even I text to, I can show you, I'm not joking. I can show you something here. Even this model here, what was, so I sent a message to I don't know where was it. Yeah, Lilliput Owon. I don't know if you can see this. Sorry, my camera is something like the system Halifax. They said, greetings from Owon, thank you for purchasing Owon product. May I have below questions so that I can forward you below email to my colleague who is responsible for your case. What is the serial number? Where you purchased it from? Which company are you from? Which country are you from? The important is, do you have photos or videos to show the problem? It is helpful for our engineer to analyze the problem you said. Thank you for your time. I don't know. I answered them. Even I can show you where the sent messages. Yes, I already answered them. I said hi again and thank you very much for your quick answer, blah blah blah. I live in Netherlands and I bought this. I bought it from Amazon NL. I think it arrived from Germany or England, I'm not sure. But I say, if the invoice says something, I have to check. Okay, I check the invoice. The invoice says Owon SmartTech Ltd. blah 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 company. AIM Business Services, 7 Bolton Road, Ashton, blah blah blah, Market Field. I'm not reading everything, and waiting for their next response. They might answer in. Even I was surprised they answered very quickly. Usually you have to wait 10 days, 20 days, 1 month, 2 months. I don't know. But really there is an issue with this. I watched Surin's video. Most of people know who Surin is, a good technician. I learned many things of his videos. I can say thank you, Surin. He's from Romania, very good guy, very good technician. He says he says he uses thermopads. Okay, but those thermopads are not so, how to say, trusty. It's warm. It's inside. It must come from somewhere out. Okay, let's say from here. Maybe going to, I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna install something like this. I know people, you're gonna laugh now. I know it's funny. Maybe something like this, something like cooler like this. I don't know. It's really funny. Take this out, but I cannot fit it inside. It's quite big for the Owon device. Or maybe something smaller, I don't know what. Of course, the power supply is gonna be from somewhere, from outside, not from inside, because here the batteries are lithium-ion 3.7, I think voltage was. Yeah, like this, mine. I can show you, like exactly this, same. This is my vape, I smoke vape anyway. Exactly like this. But I think it was that one, these batteries here, 2600 milliampere hours, something like that. Anyway, it's no big difference. Let's check again. Also, I don't like the buttons. They're going up and down. I don't know how to say, like what. This one, the other one, I bought also recently. It's Zoe ZT, what was 702S. There is another model 703S. Anyway, there is a little bit difference. The display is bigger, but I don't have any issues with this one. It's not getting warm, not getting hot. It's very easy to use it, very fast. Seems, I think this has an operation system, something like that. Yes, should be. The Owon I'm talking about. And this one, it's faster, also accurate, and it has sorry, what was it has temperature mode. Sorry, it was here. Yeah. Also, it's very accurate. Its behaviors are normal. Not getting warm. Yeah, of course, it's cheap Chinese rubbish, I can say, but it does the job. Okay, let's ignore it. Turn it off. And the battery lasts more than this one. This has 2 batteries, this Owon. I already said 18650. Maybe I didn't mention because, yeah, 2 batteries, of course, bigger screen, faster processor, many chips, blah blah blah. Also uses this bastard 1.25, 1.28 amperes current, this one. And this one I forgot, it was something like 15 maybe milliamperes, 17, I have to check again, I'm not sure. Also has color display anyway, but I think I'm gonna sell this oscilloscope multimeter because there will be no issue for it. If I have to wait the company to solve the problem, it's gonna take 2, 3, 5 months maybe. They to issue another firmware, blah blah blah, nobody knows what's going on. In 5, 6 months maybe another model I'm gonna like something of course much better. Yeah, the model is with the generator. Yeah, it can be useful for some things. I bothering with music, with programs, many things. For ages anyway. But I don't like this multimeter. Oscilloscope generator 3-in-1. So maybe some people they can say, okay, maybe you had bad luck. Maybe, I don't know, maybe this is normal. Maybe getting quite warm, quite hot, maybe it's normal. For me, it's not normal. I don't like hot devices, even though I ordered thermopads. I can show you. I'm not joking. 1 second to find my mouse, which is, I don't know, where, on the floor. I ordered them today. I'm gonna use them. This is only, I ordered 2 from different sorry about my camera, it's not so good. Okay, I ordered from I don't know which company, Airhot, and the other is Edwitz, something like that. The price is not too much, but for these rubbers, just 26 euro. Anyway, okay, let's say I'm gonna try them. One under the display, one where the processor is, one somewhere else, I don't know. If this device is getting better, I don't think so. Let's say I can keep it for me. But if still it's acting something like that, like now, at the moment it's okay, acceptable, let's say. It's no problem. Okay, this was for the current. Generator is working. I had to test it here in front of you. Okay, now, but it's there is not closed circuit anyway, just for testing. One thing I like, the generator can work. While the generator is working, you can use everything. You can use the multimeter. Now it's getting a little bit slow. It's normal, these operations. You can use the oscilloscope. You can go in back position. You can see now when I go to mode to switch between the multimeter and generator. Yeah, show you the camera. You can see, maybe you